Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360 again. Today we will discuss about the modify commands available in Fusion 360. So we will discuss all these three commands: press, pin, pull, fillet, and jump. For this, just I go to a create sketch. From here I select the plane. Now I will create a rectangle of a square of 100 by 100. Press OK. Then finish the sketch. Now extrude it. Let's say this way. Okay. I will create one more rectangle here, and this way I create a square of 40 by 40 and finish the sketch. Now extrude it. So let's see this. Okay. Now suppose we wanna press this piece or pull this particular piece. So for that, what we can use this press and pull command we can use. Let's select this one and in press and pull. You can provide here the distance up to which you wanna pull or press. Let's say if you provide here 50, then it will pull up to 50 mm. If you will provide here minus 50, then it will press this particular face up to minus 50. So this is the use of press and pull here and how to use it. The next is what? Fillet. You can use fillet command by pressing F or by selecting from here. So from here you can select the edge. So as you select this particular edge, it will ask about the radius type, distance, how much distance you want to provide over there. Let's say if you will provide there 50. Okay, we have selected here variables so that you can see here that at this point and at this point the fillet is something different. You can choose here constant. If you choose constant here, then it will provide the fillet in this way. Okay, if you choose this chord, so you can provide here the chord length. In this way, these are the various radius types available here, so you can use any kind of radius type from here. You can also provide here the tangent weight in this way, so you can see what are the changes in the fillet. So here I hit choose and press OK. These are the various ways to use the fillet command. Also we have one more command, that is jump. How can we use it? Let's say we select this particular edge. Okay, you can add or delete the edges from here. From here you can see it will ask about the type. So if you want to provide the taper at equal distance and both the directions, so you can choose equal direction, equal distance, and you can provide here just, let's say 10. So it will taper in this way. So it will taper in both the direction up to 10 mm. If you choose two distance, so it will ask about in this direction if I select 10 mm, and in this direction if I select, let's say 15 mm. So as per application, as per your application, you can choose the type. Also you can provide the distance and angle like this. First you have to provide the distance, and then second if you provide the angle, let's like this. You can provide the distance and angle. Also you can flip the direction. Okay, and press OK. So these are the various commands available in this modify section. Next video we will discuss some other commands of modify section. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel.